What is spiral? Spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a center point and series of circular shapes that revolve around it. Symmetry. Symmetry is a predictable and perfect regularity within pattern. It is identical on both halves when folded.
Here's some example of a symmetry pattern in nature. What is symmetry pattern in nature? Symmetry is defined as a fractal is a type of mathematical shape that are infinitely complex. In essence, a fractal is a part that repeats forever, and every part of the fractal, regardless of how zoom in or zoom out you are, it looks very similar to the whole image. Tessellation are a tiles floor, a brick, a block wall, or in a pineapple.
Tessellation is two-dimension, also called planar. Tiling is a topic in geometry that studies how shapes, known as tiles, can be arranged to fill plane without any gaps according to given set of rules. These rules can be varied. Common ones are that there must be no gaps between tiles and that no corner of one tile can lie along the edge of another. The denunciation created by banded brickwork do not obey this rule. Among those that do, a regular tessellation has both identical regular tiles and identical regular corners or vertices having the same angle between adjacent edges for every tile. A meander is one of a series of regular sinuous curves in the channel of a river or other watercourse. It is produced as a watercourse reduces the sediments of an outer concave bank, cut bank, and deposit sediments on an inner convex box, which is typical a point by the result of this coupled erosion and sedimentation is the formation of a sinuous course as the channel migrates back and forth across the axis of floodplain. The zone within which a meandering stream periodically shifts its channel is known as a meander belt. It typically ranges from 15 to 18 times the width of channel. Over time, meanders migrate downstream, sometimes in just a short time, as they create civil engineering challenges for local municipalities attempting to maintain stable roads and bridges.
Fractal. Fractal is a pattern that repeats forever and every part of the fractal, regardless of how zoom in or zoom out you are. It looks very similar to the whole image.